Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VXRT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, a disappointing day because when you factor in the context from Thursday, which was a very, very explosive movement, and then, the price pulled back, but then it did start to show some signs of life. So going into the day, it made valid sense to be saying, okay, maybe there's a secondary sign of life. Maybe the bulls are going to make another comeback. And then got the answer today that was no secondary sign of life. The bulls made no pull or comeback as the price completely pulled back. And not only did it pull back, it also broke down below that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average. And that's one of those areas where even if you have a basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you know that from a bullish perspective, you want to see the price stay above that level, and it just couldn't quite do it today. So from that angle of things, it just kind of compounded onto the fact that it was a relatively bearish day. So moving forward now, that first key level of resistance to watch very closely is going to be that purple line there, which is currently valid at, we'll just call it 680. And then if the price can push up through there, you'll want to watch that pink line, which is the 200-period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it right up there around $7.15. Now, if this pullback continues, next, pretty big question mark is, okay, well, if the price pulls back to 650, is at that level going to hold? Because this has got a good track record of holding, previously. But I mean, if the price were to come down to 650 and then not hold above there and then just continue on down, at that point, that would just be another sign of bearishness. And that would be making the chart look very, very sketchy. And again, I'm not saying 650 will even get tested, just trying to explain the importance, of why you would want to see the price and why the price needs to actually stay up above that level. So overall, those are going to be the main dynamics to watch moving into next week, and we'll see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.